Okay, continuing where I left off, in addition to the 8 primary navigation icons on the left, you also have a the drop-down menu options at the top of the screen, just as you would have with any standard Windows-based application. And I'll just mention here that, as with most applications, there's more than one way to do many functions. So if you like using the right mouse click method, this is available throughout the system. All right, let's get started. First off, let's click on the Schedule button, and we immediately see a standard schedule and calendar. By default, you're going to see today's date with the daily view, and you can easily scroll up and down to see the rest of the day's appointments. And if you want to see a week at a glance view, just click on the number 7 icon, or for a monthly view, click on 31. And we'll go ahead and reset back to the default view by clicking on the 1 icon. Now let's create an appointment. Just locate an available time slot anywhere on the calendar and double-click on it. This brings up the Add Schedule screen, which has already selected Dr. Garcia's name by default, because it's his calendar that we're using for this appointment. And then it shows today's date and time, and a default appointment duration of 15 minutes has been selected, as well as a facility description, in this case office. Getting back to the appointment duration, the list of values for the drop-down list can be easily adjusted, or new durations can be added to the list. In fact, you can even assign default durations for the various appointment subjects. But first we need to click on the Account Lookup button to bring up a list of all of the office's patients. Then you can either enter the patient's date of birth or a portion of the patient's last name, doesn't have to be the whole name, and then click on the Search button to locate the patient. Now we just double-click anywhere on the line of the patient that we've located, and this patient's demographic information is entered into the Add Schedule screen. Now we're going to go ahead and select a subject from the drop-down list, and we could also select a value from the status list, and finally perhaps type a short note, which is optional of course. Type a short little note here. When we're done with that, we just click on Save and Close, and we're returned to the calendar view with the patient scheduling completed. Now we can change this duration of this appointment or any other appointments by clicking on it once, and then holding down the left mouse button, you just resize the appointment up or down. Then, if you want to move the appointment to another time slot entirely, you just do a single left click on the appointment, and then do a right mouse click operation, and you select Cut, then click on another available time slot, and click on Paste. And this is going to bring up the Add Schedule screen, which allows you to make any other changes if you desire at this point. If not, you just click on the Save and Close button, and this completes the schedule change. It's pretty simple, and that's scheduling in a nutshell.